Hello, marhaba. In the previous lessons, we have discussed the independent pronouns, and over the few next lessons, we will walk through the different types of possessive pronouns. What are the possessive pronouns? A possessive pronoun is a suffix which is added at the end of a word which is used to express possessiveness, or in a simpler terms, it is attached to a noun that it's owned. Like independent pronouns, possessive pronouns are also broken down into different categories. We will start with singular possessive pronouns. The first one will cover the English word my, which is pronounced E in Arabic, and it's represented by the letter Ya. For example, my book, which is pronounced in Arabic as kitabi, kitabi. So it's combination of the word kitab plus ya letter. A reminder is that the word my used for both gender, masculine and feminine. Moving on to the next pronoun, which is your for masculine singular, and it's pronounced as ka in Arabic, and it's represented by the letter ka as well. An example for it, your book, and it's pronounced in Arabic as kitabuk, kitabuk. Can you guess how to combine them? Yes, the word kitab plus ka. Let's take another example of how we use it in a question. What is your name? It's pronounced and written like this. Ma ismuk, ma ismuk. Moving on to the third possessive pronoun, your for feminine singular, and it's pronounced as ki and represented by the letter ka with kasra. An example for it, your book, will be pronounced and written like this. Kitabuki, kitabuki. Let's see how it's used in a question. What is your name? It is pronounced and written like this. Ma ismuki, ma ismuki. Let's take the fourth pronoun, which is her, and it's pronounced as ha in Arabic, and it's represented by the letter ha plus a. An example for it, her book is pronounced and written kitabuha, kitabuha. Now, let's see how it's used in a question. Where is her book? It is pronounced and written like this. Aina kitabuha, aina kitabuha. Aina represent where is, and her book represent kitabuha. So, aina kitabuha. We have reached the last singular possessive pronoun, his, and it's pronounced as ha in Arabic, and it's represented by the letter ha. An example for it, his book. His book, it is pronounced and written like this, kitabuh, kitabuh. And finally, let's look at an example of how it's used in a question. Where is his book? It is pronounced and written like this, aina kitabuh, aina kitabuh. We have reached the end of today's lesson. I hope that it was clear and easy to understand. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment and I will be happy to respond. Hope to see you next time and continue practicing. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye. مع السلامة.